bag is 7 feet in length and is big enough to fit you and your entire family. These pads are made of military-grade foam and insert into the bottom of a sofa cushion to fix saggy seats and make your couch look like new. And these human dog beds come with a full fur blanket and let you and your partner lie down, relax, and get some rest.
If you have a toilet in your house, then you need this toilet brush. It holds the cleaner inside of it, and with a simple squeeze...
Glue guns have come a long way since you were a kid. This is a high-temperature cordless glue gun that oozes just right and is super easy to clean.
Amazon Kitchen Hacks. This portable griddle holds 6 strips of bacon, cooks vertically so the grease strips opens up so you can cook your eggs and pancakes. This gadget has 4 compartments, 2 roasting sticks, and heats up electrically to roast your s'mores exactly like a campfire. And this tool easily slices a kiwi to perfection every time.
I'm thirsty.
Products of 2022 Part 1. Starting off with these under-the-shelf drawers that are perfect for storing small snacks in your kitchen cabinets. Next is this self-adhesive paper towel holder. It comes in 4 different colors and is perfect for getting your paper towel roll off the counter. Next is this under-cabinet basket organizer that has 2 tiers and a pull-out shelf on the bottom. It's perfect for organizing cleaning supplies under your kitchen sink. Next is this set of olive oil dispensers. The olive oil bottle has a measuring cup at the top and the lid is also drip-free. It also comes with a sprayer mist and both of these bottles are made of glass and stainless steel. And these cabinet door pan lid organizers come in a pack of 4, are self-adhesive, and are perfect for saving space in your kitchen cabinets. Next are these rechargeable light strips that get 33 hours of use per charge, have a rental-friendly installation, and is a great way for lighting up dark spaces around your home where you outlet. And lastly is the famous This Works car vacuum cleaner. It has almost 250,000 5-star reviews, perfect for keeping in your car to clean up messes quickly. It comes with 3 different attachments, has a 16-foot cord, and a bag to keep everything organized.
Must-haves detailing tools. Tornador. IK foam sprayer. Karcher. Follow for more detailing tips.
TikTok made me buy. This is portable hand soap, which come in these cool strips, and they dissolve once you put them in water, so it's perfect on the go. This is a motion sensor light for your toilet. Right when you walk in, it makes any of these cool colors. This is a soda can dispenser for your fridge or counter. Once you take a soda from the bottom, another one replaces it.
Things TikTok made me buy to step it up. In 2022, the water bottle with time marks to help me stay hydrated. The cutest pink ice trays with scoop and holder. The most perfect kitchen set to start making healthy meals. It comes with so many things, plus for all the best finds.
Stuff you actually need from Amazon. This is a cable manager for cords that like to slip off your desk. It's magnetic, so all you have to do is put your cords on and they don't fall off. And if you have a cord that isn't magnetic, they have this glove, which keeps it on your desk. This is a charger extender, which makes it really easy to roll up your charger cords. And it also collapses to save space.